Humans are not the only species that transmit information through sound. Birds are another species that is known to transmit information through sound. Birds do more than talk. They sing. Whether or not the songs they sing are therapeutic for each other is still being studied, albeit controversial. Bird songs and bird calls play an essential role in the study of animal communication. Bird songs are known to convey longer messages. Bird calls carry more straightforward and more warning messages. Long-winded bird melodies from a tree are relatively complex conversations with many more messages than other sounds. There are certain similarities between bird communication and human language. Birds, like us, learn by sound. They also learn the techniques of sound production. Among birds, many studies have proven that parrots, hummingbirds, and hedgehogs can learn to make sounds by imitating the sounds of their peers. Some bird species have vast repertoires. They are known to have around 1,500 songs. Songs of males are essential in sexual selection. Some songs communicate territorial dominance to other conspecifics and are sung collectively like an anthem. One of the interesting points is that these songs are learned over generations and developed during evolution. There are songs that birds sign to indicate the group to which they belong and to express group identity.
Alex was a parrot.
Alex, what toy? Nail. Nail, that's right, you're a good...
Alex and his breeder, Pepperback, are pioneers in the study of bird communication. The studies on Alex, a parrot who lived between 1975 and 2007, have caused a great resonance. Iron Pepperback has published articles about Alex. In a momentous publication, he elaborates on the language and cognitive abilities of parrots. Alex can communicate with Pepperback through voice-based communication. He can answer the questions asked by Pepperback. It is remarkable in showing his mental capacities, especially when he answers questions about different properties of objects, such as their colors, sizes, shapes, and why they are made. They also have a vocabulary of more than 80 vocalizations. They can correctly express more than 50 objects, 7 colors, 5 shapes, and numbers up to 8. He has the concept of category and can say aloud whether two objects are similar or different, which one is bigger, which one is square, etc. Pepperback argues that Alex's skill can provide us with an essential basis for the evolution of language.
My parrot started using English speech sounds to describe objects, colors, and shapes. A media storm ensued. Not only did we have a sort of Dr. Dolittle moment, but we also felt that we might be getting some clues as to how language and complex cognitive traits might have evolved in our ancestors. If creatures separated by 300 million years of evolution and distinctly different, brains can acquire some level of symbol use and organization, doesn't this imply something fundamental to evolution? How could our ancestors have developed these abilities?